In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Edge notifications in Windows 11, updated 2026 full guide. If you're tired of those pop-ups asking to show notifications every time you visit a site, this quick walkthrough will help you silence them in Microsoft Edge. We're focusing specifically on website notification prompts inside Edge, not Windows system alerts, and the steps reflect the current Windows 11 and Edge layout. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 PC. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Edge homepage or your last open tabs. Make sure Edge is the active window so the next options are available. Next, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots to open the menu. From that drop-down, choose Settings. This takes you to Edge's Control Center, where you can manage privacy, permissions, and appearance. If you don't see the left-hand panel right away, resize the window or scroll. It's there. On the left side of the Settings page, select Cookies and Site Permissions. This section governs what websites are allowed to do in your browser, things like accessing your location, using your camera, and, in our case, sending notifications. It's the place to go when you want tighter control over site behavior. Inside Cookies and Site Permissions, look for the All Permissions area, then click Notifications. This opens the dedicated notifications dashboard where Edge explains how sites request permission and how your browser handles those requests. Now, to block those prompts, turn off the toggle labeled Ask before sending. When this is on, sites can pop up a box asking to show notifications. When you switch it off, Edge stops those requests at the door so you won't see the Allow or Block prompts anymore. It's a clean, set-and-forget way to browse without interruptions. A couple of helpful notes here. This setting prevents new permission requests from appearing. If you previously allowed a site to send notifications, you may still receive them until you adjust that site's permission on this same page later. Also, this change applies only to Microsoft Edge. Other browsers on your PC have their own notification settings. If you ever change your mind and want to let sites ask again, just return to this notifications page and toggle Ask before sending back on. It's reversible in seconds. That's it. With this one switch, you've stopped websites from asking to send notifications in Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. Enjoy a quieter, more focused browsing experience.